But one man who caught the attention always, and I come with the other. The Nakame Bedia Chada. Bermani, Wabayena, Sabina, Stadium Nina, Bodges, what I say, no, come. No more Bodges. And I'm saying, not a Bodges, then I'm translating into votes. As a girl of who,
of Parliament for the Okaikwei Central constituency. Now, if you are very familiar with the constituency, you know that this particular constituency has been in contention right from when polls closed until some few days ago when declarations were finally made in favor of Patrick Boama.
This sounds a DNS. Yet to Aba, there were 140 polling stations. And on Majida, we can 110, we are not distractions by. And on forcing people to declare. Yako court in a court in Isia Kasemasa. 30 near Kayan Fan Count. Meanwhile, Sadiq, when you said 30 near the stronghold of Patrick Boama, why are you inciting your own people against this man?
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi Xposed. It's new year, brand new year, and we are bringing you live news. News. Watch our hi Xposed from Bamboo. Subscribe, share, and the tumpa now on Saka. And right, now, inauguration of John Mahama. It was beautiful, I'll say. The cream of the cream. You see ex-presidents. You see the beauty. While we are called Ghana. Or Baby Massa. The occasion was grand. You see Ghana's beauty. Who say Ghana? Because the opposition and then the government in power, they were sitting. I saw the majority and minority leader chit-chatting. Almost saying, that is it. And when you have a friend say, your friend is saying, former flag bearer, you see, and your friend for vice president, Baumia, or Kokuchian, that's all that we need. But one man who caught the attention, always. And I come with the Chada. Let's go watch it. The Nakame Bedia Chada. Bermani, Wabayena, Sabina, Stadium Nina, Bodges. What I say, no, come. No more Bodges. And I'm saying, na Bodges, then I'm translating into votes. That's a girl of who, Yanya. But me, mom, the only baby. When I see no, yeah, bro. Chada no one more back out, Democrat. He's a big man, he's a big boy. He doesn't need us. We need him. It's you feel say we won't vote for him. He doesn't care. He doesn't lose anything. Because this man is a self-made man. What's it to be a catch say? Ghana, your politicians now, you form all the years. They are not self-made people. They are people who haven't even been to business. So they don't even know how to run business. Because when you have to run business, a place like Bank of Ghana, they will make loss of 60 billion. Then the finance minister will come and say, let's write it off as a bad debt. Meanwhile, Hope just 3 billion from IMF. You understand? Agreeing me, agreeing swap. It's 60 billion, also be writing off. Ghana cities, and you also the Ghana cities, also be writing off. But this is a man who knows. It's Ghana for man to a man. Any problem. Anyway. Boys now, NDC 4 boys in Kwasia, someone would we need to put stop to it. And Abeka, net time, burning ties, doing things that are not even sensible. Let's go and watch it.
You can't say stay of execution and you come back to of parliament. Yes, still no. You swap who am I in? Which means that baby fish and coffee. That is the main reason why.
It's regulation. I'm going to carry a bomb. No, one man is really here. Nobody says he's in the crown.
He's in the cry in a sense. He's in the cry to the sense. Me knew say I have 4 results. Patrick Yabu must say on the results when in every election. On the 7th December 2024. My member of results were enter. No one can say peace and who say. No one can say peace and who say.
Maybe before I saw about this, I'm going to say I hear mama.
Idea. Yeah, by any say. Baba Sadiq was the first person to be declared. There is nothing like recollation in the constitution. We want that to happen. Sabu Amafi said, Baba Sadiq verdict to know, and he should go to court. Monday tonight, Baba, it can never be stolen from Baba.
Situation today.
All right. Currently, the protesters are at Baba Sadiq's residence. I understand he's not around, but it was part of efforts to group them in his residence for tensions to be deflated. Now, the protest started on the Abeka stretch, where some residents of Abeka were burning car ties, protesting against Patrick Boama's declaration as Member of Parliament for the Okaikwei Central constituency. Now, if you are very familiar with the constituency, you know that this particular constituency has been in contention right from when polls closed until some few days ago when declarations were finally made in favor of Patrick Boama. Now, these residents are saying that they want justice for Baba Sadiq because, according to them, they believe Baba Sadiq won fair and square the elections. And so the AC declaration in favor of Patrick Boama is a way of stripping Baba Sadiq of what he deserves. Currently, we are not allowed, the media is not allowed entry into the residence because they say it's a closed door meeting to make sure tensions are deflated. So that every one of them would return to their home. So that is what I can report from here, Adra.
Now, earlier you brought us some visuals of people burning tires, holding placards, demanding that they take Patrick Boama from Parliament as the duly sworn-in Member of Parliament for the area. Talk to me about the situation, the peace in the area. Are residents safe? Is it just members of the NDC who are protesting, or is it an activity by the entire residents of Okaikwei Central?
Well, I can't say the protest is by all residents in Okaikwei Central. Matter of fact, majority of those involved in this protest are clad in NDC outfits. And so you can tell it's from some unhappy supporters of the NDC's parliamentary candidates. Now, earlier, a fire truck also arrived to douse the fire that they had set on the streets from the burning of ties and other materials. Now, this fire truck was attacked. The driver had to retreat. I understand the driver was even attacked. The police personnel were also there to try and bring the situation under control. Matter of fact, right from when we moved from where the protest started to where we are now, they've been with the protesters, making sure everything runs smoothly. And so that is what I can report. I can't tell if they are all residents of Okaikwei Central, but what I can assure you, per what they are wearing, they are unhappy supporters of the NDC's parliamentary candidates.
So the main concern here is what exactly? I heard the assembly members say that they have filed a stay of execution, but still the parliament, the clerk went ahead to swear in Patrick Boama as Member of Parliament for the area. Do we know if the NPP has had any response so far? The NPP in this constituency has had any response to the situation?
Now, so far, the NPP office in Abeka is closed down. I tried reaching out to a few of the executives, but to no avail. Now, what these NDC supporters are claiming is that because Baba Sadiq was earlier declared the MP-elect, and then later he was stripped of the MP-elect and given to Patrick Boama, they believe Baba Sadiq has been treated unfairly. according to majority of them, they say they voted massively for Baba Sadiq. And so it is absolutely not right for the Electoral Commission to later declare results in favor of Patrick Boama of the NPP. As it stands, the NPP has not responded.
Very well. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That's my colleague Jeffrey Fifi and bringing us up to speed with all the incidents happening at Abeka, Okaikwei.
This sounds like DNS. Yet to Aba, you were 140 polling stations. And on Major, you can't 110, we are not distractions by. And on forcing Nippon no declare. Yako court in a court in Isiaka Semasa. 30 near Kayan Fan count. Meanwhile, Sadiq, when him said 30 near the stronghold of Patrick Boama. Why are you inciting your own people against this man? Patrick Boama has been a good servant at Okaikwei Central. Maybe I'm say MP phone in to say Patrick Boama and Kayam Rewa guy, selfless man. Oh, who say Miniano. And then I feel the Abana Yamrano Percy a twist and answer the. I'm surprised. Yes, it wouldn't make a quarter. No, just say what the people. Muko hona, mu forcing the money decline does not mean you are a winner. There are courts, there are laws. We don't live in a jungle. You see, sometimes the youth of this country, the way they behave, as if they are senseless, as if they are getting Yajuma. And Kojina na kwa siebi kwa politician bi ensu chobo ina nko. Sadiq no tell onye papa, onye mame. Boama nye papa, onye mame. Omo nyina no mko pejuma. But the laws of the country has to work. The youth, it's time you put your energies right. Na munja kwa se na mani kurewu. In these times, you have to obey your what is this? And the police people, what is wrong with you? Do your job. If people are supposed to be arrested, arrest them. So that this senseless thing has to stop. And then say, TDS, the boys are there. You stop people. And you're senseless. Is that making IGP? What are you doing? Work. I don't know, make constitution. We don't give constitutional powers to the people who are supposed to work. That's why all this is not going on. By a youth, me too for Jimmy Sam. Wow, you also the Jimmy every baby. I also what Jimmy know every day is just a gift for you. And now, watching a man, so if you meet me, could be saying, and then your gift. What are you doing with today? And could you benefitize? God, that won't bring food on your table in the future. Do something which will benefit you. I expose your FM members. Subscribe, subscribe, and tumpa now. So I can be Manuasi. Bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.